he ran very fast. So very, it is also laying stress on the verb fast. है ना? It is he ran very fast. It is laying stress on the adjective fast. है ना? How he ran? He ran fast, right? So very is adverb. It is an adverb. है ना? Fast is an adjective, and ran is verb. He is pronoun. Right? Like this. Like this. Now, this flower is very beautiful. This flower is very beautiful. Here adverb is very. Adverb. ये adjective. ये noun. And ये verb. ये demonstrative adjective. चलो ठीक है. This flower is very beautiful. Okay. Now preposition. Preposition. Preposition is a word preposition is a word used before a noun or a pronoun to show how the person or thing denoted by the noun or pronoun stands in relation to something else. Stands in relation to something else, right? Now, I think that before the concept of anything, any subject it may be, but if there are definitions, the definitions are just the epitome of the whole chapter, and it is just a sort of capsule in which the medicine is filled, right? So if you study the definition of anything in any subject properly, by understanding it properly, right? Not only outwardly you are going through this word meaning that a preposition is a word used before a noun or a pronoun to show how the person or thing denoted by the noun or pronoun stands in relation to something else. If you are just reading it out covertly, or just that outwardly, not inwardly, not from the core of your heart, right? You just analyze everything. You know. So this is very important, and if you analyze the definitions, I think that half of the battle is won, and academic battle is won by you, and you will be partly clear in any chapter, in any topic taken, in any topic in hand, or any topic which is taken up for study. So it is a must. Now prepositions are four kinds. They will be given detail, or they will be detailed later. We will just give their detail in the long run, and then preposition, जैसे in, something else as he was in the garden. He was in the garden. The cow was grazing in the garden. Grazing in the garden. Now you see, in is preposition in this, and also in is the preposition in the second sentence too, right? So in this way, he is a pronoun here, and noun or pronoun. What is the definition? A preposition word. A preposition is a word used before a noun or pronoun. है ना? So it is being used before the pronoun noun garden. है ना? In is being used before the noun garden. है ना? To show how the person or thing. है ना? Person or thing क्या है? ये जो है he है ना? Person है समझ लो. How the person or thing denoted by the noun or pronoun stands in relation to something else. है ना? ये जो है he जो है मान लो pronoun है, तो ये garden के relation में किस तरह से, है ना? How it comes in relation to God, how it is in relation to God. मतलब he is in the garden. Relation is that कि he is in the garden, that is he is within the area of the garden, right? So the relation of pronoun he, personal pronoun he, is being established with the garden, right? It is the relationship shown by the preposition in, and this is preposition. The cow was grazing in the garden. So is the case there. And next sentence may be taken up, for example, the girl is fond of music. The girl is the girl is fond of music, right? So music is noun, girl is noun, and what is preposition here? Of. So this word of, which is said to be the preposition in a sentence, establishes relation with the noun girl to music, to the noun music, right? So this is also a noun, this is also a noun, this is a common noun, this is an abstract noun, and you know that this common noun is establishing the relationship or representing the relationship. This word of is presenting the relationship with the abstract noun music. है ना? So therefore of is preposition. It is preposition. It is an abstract noun. It is cn, common noun. Right? Cn stands for common noun. An stands for abstract noun, and the preposition prepo stands for preposition. Okay. So that is all for the day. अच्छा, preposition and then conjunction. चलिए, now let us complete the conjunction also. अब देखिए क्या है conjunction. Conjunction is a word. A conjunction is a word used to join words, used to join words or sentences as some come and some go. Means some people take birth, other people leave this world. है ना? Some come and some go. So here this word and, it is linking word. है ना? It is connector or connecting the two parts. That is some come, this is one sentence, and some go is the another subject, and both the sentences are joined by the conjunction word and. Okay. 2 and 2 make 4. It is very important sentence. Very important sentence. 2 and 2 make 4. It is asked in bank competitions and in other competitions, and it carries 1 mark at least. 2 and 2 make 4. है ना? तो students just think that 2 and 2 makes 4. है ना? Where it is written 2 and 2 makes 4, 2 and 2 make 4, 2 and 2 made 4. Like this, the options would be given, and the student who ticks this 2 and 2 make 4, right? So that is correct. 2 and 2 make 4. It is also 2 and 2. है ना? 2 are being joined by the conjunction word and. So 2 and 2 make 4. Okay. Now let us shift over to the interjection. What is an interjection? An interjection is a word an interjection is a word an interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feeling, which expresses some sudden strong feelings of the mind, some sudden strong feelings of the mind, right? Right, as Elash says no more. Hooray, we have won the match, right? Like this. So here these are the strong feelings. Hooray, we have won the match, है ना? For example, oh catch me, oh catch me means surprise. Oh catch me, है ना? Like this. What a surprise. What a surprise. So this is the introduction. So that is all for the day, because I think that the video will be lengthier, है ना? In order to curtail it or in order to shorten it, I think this much is sufficient. That is all for the day. Thank you, and next time we will meet you. We'll see you for the next time. Okay, thank you. So that is all for the day, and have a glorious day, all of you. Thanks.